So first day on the job, how are you feeling?
Stressed. A little stressed.
Fair. I'm feeling like I want to fucking kill myself. Hey, help me! To anyone who finds this, don't go in the factory! Help me! I'm getting eaten. It's been nice knowing you guys. Please, don't forget me. Remember me. Please. Remember me. Remember.
Yes. Bass clapper for recording, so we hopefully get more money.
What the fuck is Martin doing? Martin, get down from there, you fucking shit! Do a flip!
Recording.
Do a flip! I'm already doing that.
Martini, no!
Oh my god, he's gonna jump! No! He's jumping! Oh, jeez, world star, world! Creature thingy. Arm thingy.
Okay.
Right there. Yeah?
So there we go.
Stop it. Cage. A skull.
Where?
Oh, a spine. Oh, Jesus Christ, you fucking scared the fuck out of me, you snail piece of fuck shit, piece of motherfucking cock, motherfucking sucker. Fuck you! Damn it! B, no! No! Get off of her! Get off of her! I can't do anything. Bone, okay. We got a bone.
Spine.
Got it. Oh my god, what is that? Go, go! Get off me! Get off me! But you won't be here for much longer. There's 2 snail men. We gotta go. The surface, yeah.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
But if there's a shark in the game,
It's a giant
What?
spider.
Something's
It's like a
there.
does that count as something scary?
Record.
Time to go!
Martin!
No, Martin, no.
Martin, no! Martin!
Record
Dear
it.
God.
Okay, it's turning around. There. I can't tell.
No, I see it too. It's like distant.
Look here.
Oh, that's a fucking blender.
We gotta get recording of that.
I think that's running. Oh! Guys?
Spider! Spider, we gotta go.
Watch out! Oh.
A bone. There's a little bone there.
Spooky.
Hey, you have any comments on the latest financial crisis? Yeah, okay.
Okay, stop recording.
Okay, yeah, that's a ribcage. So there's a lot of fucking cars here, Jesus. Is this like a junkyard or a restaurant or what? I don't know.
No, it's.
You're feasting on human.
Ooh, that's a dark abyss. Oh, what are you? Oh, Jesus! Oh! Oh! Martin, no! Give it back! Give it back!
Oh, fuck this.
I'm out of here. We gotta go. B, we gotta go. B, we gotta go.
Martini!
He's right behind you. Bean! Shit. Jesus Christ! Jesus fucking Christ, this is why my friends fucking die, man! Get in here! We're good, we're safe, we're fine. Oh god, oh my god. Holy shit, oh my god. We lost them both.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
This is not good. Next time on CNN. Maybe some sunflowers to cheer us up, you know? Some
Are we just gonna ignore the fact that our friends are dead?